me Shivangi, and the reason I'm sounding so bougie is because I'm on Vogue, guys. So basically, I have grown up watching these beauty secret videos that are on, of course, on Vogue's channel, and celebrities like Kylie Jenner, Kendall Jenner, and Selena Gomez, and many more like Barbara Palvin. Basically, they reveal their beauty secrets and skincare and makeup routine. So I thought, let's just pretend that today I'm on Vogue and I have to sound so Voguish and bougie. So please bear with me. Today I'm gonna be revealing my skincare and makeup routine, for which literally nobody asked for. But here I am to torture and entertain you at the same time. So here we are just having some great fun time. I've already washed my face with a nice gentle cleanser, and all the products will be in the description in case I just forget to mention that what freaking product I am using. Next, I'm gonna be using a toner to balance the pH of my skin. So just watch me applying some toner and patting my face. Pat. Talking about face mask, I usually use face mask during like weekends and on a random day when I feel like my skin is like saying, Shivangi, we need some pamper. So today I'm not going to do that in front of you. Let's move on to serums and stuff. Okay, this is how it happens when you do your skincare in front of camera. Okay, it's a vitamin C serum, and talking about my skincare is literally very basic, but I feel like that if I'm consistent, it works for me. As you can see that I'm not at all breaking out. I've been lately taking a lot much care of my skin, so this is your sign to take care of your skin. Then I'm gonna be applying a little bit of moisturizer to moisturize my skin. As I said earlier that my skincare is like very basic. I am working on it. I really want that jade rollers and gua shas to, pamper my skin because they are so bougie and voguish. I am on Vogue, guys. I should probably sound more voguish. As you can see that my skincare is pretty much done. Now it's time for makeup, bake up, take up, break up. No, we are not allowed to break up. This is the first time I'm doing my skincare and makeup thing, so you can call it as our first day. And turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I am like wanting to go on a date with you guys. I love my subscribers. To start with my makeup, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline New York, whatever it is, influencer thing. This thing has a bit of color, so I'm not gonna put it a lot. So just a little bit, and then just tapping it with my finger. Here we go, brushing off all the negativity. Next, I'll be foundationing my face. So I'm using this Lakme Fit Me foundation, and I think that this is the most basic foundation that every Indian girl, and not only Indian girl, I think every basic girl has. This is like my all-time favorite, and this shade really suits me. So here we go. I'm gonna do this on my neck area too because we don't wanna look like a freaking zebra. No, we don't. Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. I'm gonna be taking a little bit of concealer. I don't use concealer a bit because I don't have that problem of dark circles. But today we are going to do, and usually I apply this with my finger at this area just to give my brows a kind of edgy look. That's what influencers say. Also, shout out to all the makeup and beauty gurus doing makeup in front of a camera because this is a huge task. And we are kind of done. Perfect. As I'm done caking my face, now it's time to bake my face. I'm gonna be using my setting powder, and I'm just gonna set this up. Being honest with you guys, yesterday I filmed the same video, but I was too tired and I felt like that video didn't turn out so good. So today, not me reshooting my video again, just because I want to give out perfect. I know I'm not perfect, nobody's perfect, but it's okay if you wanna add some perfection in your life. Done setting and caking and baking my face. Now it's time for the bronzer thing. So I'm gonna be taking this bronzer. This is from Lancome Paris. This was gifted by my bestie. Like, imagine having best friends and having friends gifting you expensive makeup. Perfect life, I guess. This is your sign to gift your friends makeup. Also, bestie, if you're watching this video, my birthday is coming soon, so yeah, I'm gonna do that thing a little bit more. I do this thing like give a kind of this kind of shape because I have a different kind of shape. Everybody has a different face shape, so do what your face needs and suits best on your face. Next, I'm gonna be taking the same bronzer and I'm gonna be contouring my nose to remind myself that I should not put my nose in others' drama. I'm on Vogue, I should probably not say these things. And I'm gonna do like this. Perfect. I'm gonna be blending all these things. Blending all the drama, and I have to keep this in my mind that I'm on Vogue and I should not say stuff like this. Most of them do eyes first, but since I'm on Vogue and this is my beauty secret video, so I'm gonna do what I actually do and I should continue what I'm doing. Next, I'm gonna be using the same bronzer that I used to bronze out my face to kind of give my eyes a base. Okay, maybe I should use a finer brush. Next, I'm gonna be using my eyeshadow palette, that is Brown Chameleon. Basically, this has more of brown shades because I prefer more of brown shades. I use light, dark, darkest technique for my eyes. Next, I'm gonna take this shade. So I'm gonna apply it in the middle of my eyes, just a little bit. Next, I'm gonna take this lighter shade. Next, I'm gonna be taking this shade again. So I'm gonna give a kind of an illusion that will probably lift my face, giving my eyes a kind of a foxy and cat eye and that kind of look. I have to sound like whoa, bougie and professional at the same time. Also, recently I saw Olivia Rodrigo doing her makeup and her eyes had so much of gratefulness and gratitude. She was like literally so excited because driver license, deja vu, good for you. Next, I'm gonna be using this Lee Crayon Kohl Natural Origin Rosé Ballerine to line my waterline. This gives a kind of a Brad's doll kind of illusion. Next, I'm gonna be using this random brown pencil and I'll apply it under my eyes. I don't use black stuffs under my eyes because I feel like brown stuff are better than black stuff. And next, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Pinch Me Pink blush and I'm gonna be adding a little bit of light to my life with this blush. I'm feeling like an influencer. I literally apply my blush making this freaking face. This is so fun to do. Just do this. I'm in Vogue, guys. Take more because we have to add more colors in our life. I'm gonna take this blush again, just a little bit because we don't wanna look like a freaking joker. I'm on Vogue. I have to sound bougie. Vogue is literally ruining my life in a positive way. The next step is not necessary, but if you feel like that you have bronzed your face a lot and you feel like that it's not looking natural, then you can do your reverse contouring thing just to make it look more natural. When people do their Vogue beauty secret video, they talk about their success. And my success, we are about to hit 4,000 subscribers, guys. And by this video will go live, I think we'll hit that milestone. So thank you so much for 4,000 subscribers. I love you guys. I'm on Vogue. I'm done painting my canvas. So I'm gonna take my setting spray and I'm on Vogue. This is so dramatic. Okay, I'm done. Next, moving on to our favorite part, that is highlighting our features. Basically, I use a liquid highlighter to highlight my face because I think that it's more adjustable and more controllable. Adding highlighters to your face just enhances the texture of your skin. Do it because we are not Korean. We don't have that hourglass skin. I'm gonna highlight it more. I'm gonna highlight this part, my nose. As I'm done highlighting my face, I'm gonna use this pencil again and I'm gonna highlight my inner eye corner. I'm kind of hungry right now, but I can't say this because I'm on Vogue. So I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty Liquid Matte. I use liquid lipstick, but this is not my shade. I'm gonna be telling you that what I'm gonna do. So just wait for it, trust the process, and just watch me making weird faces while applying my lipstick. Now I'm gonna use the same bronzer that I used to bronze out my face. This is a kind of a life hack, but it really works for me. So this is how it turns out. Now I'm gonna use this shade and I'm gonna take a little bit of it and I'm just gonna apply it on my eyes. So I'm done with it. And the last and the final thing is applying a mascara. So my makeup is almost done, and now it's time to open the hair. And honestly, this video was so bougie to film, and I literally had so much fun. And to be honest, I kind of like how this makeup turned out. I'm gonna eat some food because I'm literally so hungry. So if you like this video, make sure to give this video a bright blue thumbs up and subscribe to Vogue's channel. I'm so grateful for Vogue having me. And subscribe to my channel, guys, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, high tide, good vibes. Bye guys, I'm on Vogue. Subscribe. I'm on Vogue. Next I'll be found. Guys, let me concentrate.